what's going on, guys? It's Thunders here, and today we're going to be doing a Pokemon Heart Gold Nuzlocke with Cartel. Hey, Cartel. Okay, so go ahead and choose your starter. I'm already a little bit away in the game because I wanted to kind of get to a point so they didn't have to watch the boring beginning part.
Hippopotas, a Squirtle, and a Staraptor.
It's up to you which one you want to choose.
Yeah, I really love Staraptor.
But for all you know, you could find it. I'm pretty sure you can find any of those in the wild.
Yeah.
So choose
I
whichever
guess
one.
I can, raise it to be like a Staraptor.
You can choose whichever one you want. Squirtle should also be able to be found at some point in the wilderness, so it doesn't really matter.
It's just hard to choose, man. And I don't know. I don't like Hippopotas. It just looks like a fat potato. But it's between Staraptor and Squirtle. Just choose Squirtle.
Oh, by the way, that's our friend Bup in the background. He's in the Skype call with us, but he's not playing the game.
I don't know, man. It's so hard.
Well, which one? Staraptor will be better against... Okay, wait. Which one is Staraptor and which one is Squirtle? Is Squirtle, like, the red one, the blue one? Like, which one?
Squirtle's the red one, Staraptor's the blue one.
So, if, you choose Squirtle, then you'll face up against Staraptor. Keep that in mind. Your, rival will have Staraptor, which would be kind of scary. So,
Yeah,
I would go with Staraptor.
I'm gonna go with Staraptor.
So then your rival has Squirtle.
Yeah.
Or no, you would go...
Honestly,
Actually, if you chose...
Squirtle, so.
Now that I think about it, no, if you choose, Squirtle, you'd have to worry about Hippopotas. So... And,
Got him. Got him.
and then he gets to walk behind you in this game.
That's so dope.
Just, FYI for everybody in the video, Cartel has never played this game before, so he's a noob.
Wow, I'm gonna come right out and say I'm a noob, Thunder.
Wow. Too bad I don't have any, Pokeballs yet other than the one I got from a Pokaloot, so I'm not counting this. So I just found a wild Munchlax. And I have this weird thing on my screen, so you guys, watching won't be able to see what the name of the Pokemon I'm facing is. But you should be able to tell by looking at him. Like, I can't see what this Munchlax level is, which is actually kind of worrying. I gotta go.